everybody, today my daughter and I were at Hildacy Preserve in Meadow. This is a Natural Lands Trust property. We've had a little bit of light snowfall. It is freezing out today. We're having some really cold weather moving in, so we are all bundled up. As usual, I had to bribe my daughter with some Starbucks to get her out here with me, but that's okay. So we're going to show you what this hike is like. Come along with us. So right now we're kind of in a meadow area, and you can just kind of see the sky looks stormy. We're supposed to have a big snowstorm roll in, I believe Sunday into Monday morning. So my kids are hoping for a snow day. This is always such a beautiful part of the hike, looking out on this meadow. A lot of times you'll see deer, you'll see fox in this meadow. In the summer, the grass gets so tall you really can't see through it. So hopefully you can hear me okay. I actually remembered my media mod today because I knew the wind was going to be blowing out here with the stormy weather kind of moving in. So the sun has come out. It feels wonderful. Even on a cold day, having the sun out can just make a big difference in just kind of your mood and the temperature a little bit. So it feels a little more cheerful out here. It's so windy, you can hear the trees creak in the wind. And up here we've got a little bit of a downed tree we've got to step over. I love these super tall evergreen trees. You can see just a hint of sunlight poking through. So we're gonna go this way to the right here. So if you come to Hildacy Preserve, obviously there's a lot more hiking here to do than what we're doing today. Today is just kind of push ourselves, get out in the cold, to just get a little bit of outside time. But if you come here, there's a number of different trails that you can all connect, and then you can also go over to the Marple Township Green Bank Farm, and you can just make a big loop with that as well to extend your hike. Alright guys, so we are almost back to the car, so this is going to wrap up our video for today. It is really cold, but with the snow coming, we just felt like we had to get out. I think I should get Starbucks to sponsor my videos since I'm always bribing my daughter with it to come hiking with me. But yeah, it was a great day. Even in the cold, there's so much to see out here and so much beauty, and I'm glad we came out for a quick little hike. I think my face is frozen. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.